Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vivek Pandey and I welcome you all to this playlist Quizland. So today's topic already it is displayed, it is slicing, and it is not only just a slicing but it is a combination of many things because this is the 12th quiz. So I thought of taking a quiz on slicing. So without wasting our time, let's see what are the questions. Yeah, the first question is here. So take your pause the video, take your 1 or 2 minutes of a time. Try to do it by yourself. Yeah, because in the placements, it is you who is going to get the job. So just pause for a minute or 2 minutes and try to give the answer manually. Do it manually, and to cross check, you can try your mobile phone or laptop for verification purpose. This is the first one. Let's go with the second one. This is the second question, and here it is a combination of slicing, yeah, colon, many things. I'm trying to give you the more exposure of this concept, the slicing. So here it's not only slicing. Here also we are doing addition part also. So let's go with the next question, third one. And yes, here mostly it is same as previous one, but k value I'm taking it in a binary. 0b prefix is a binary. Yeah, so I hope you can do this one. It is not that difficult. Let's go with the next one. Fourth question. This question, yeah, it has multiple operations. Length, again, see, one column, two columns are there. Yeah, only two columns will be there, not more than that. So just you need to find out what is the value of this, and then you have to substitute here. So this is simple, not that hard. You can try this, guys. So now here it is a fifth one, and in this I have taken nested list, and you have to do the same thing. Now, sixth one. This is also an example of slicing, but here the parameters I have taken in a different data types. So you know what is int and bool does. So it will not be much difficult for you to find the answer. Seventh, this is slicing with the functions. So I have given the like if you have learned about function call, then you can able to do this. Yeah, try it. Okay, let's go with the next one. Here, yeah, I'm trying to modify, whether it will be modified or not, that you should know. And this is not that hard, very simple it is. Ninth one, yeah, ninth one you need to check what would be the output here, because here it is a combination of this. Yeah, the slicing itself, the parameters are itself is a function call here. So be little curious, like careful about this. Let's go with the next one, 10th one. And yeah, this can be seems to be bigger one, but it is very damn simple one. So here what I did is I made the list members as a function call, and the slicing members are also function call. So totally it is function call and then slicing. So this is the total 10 questions on slicing. If you are able to do this, it means you have a good knowledge on slicing. You can do anything with a slicing. Now I'm providing you this key also. You can just check this, verify with this answers if it is correct. Fine. And yeah, as usual, if you really feel it is helpful, then you can hit a like, which will motivate me to make more videos. And thank you guys.